Three, two. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kubiat Iyang, but you can call me Kubi if you cannot pronounce that. Y'all, it's been a minute since I posted like a makeup video on my channel. Mini life update, I just graduated from university. I said, baby, bye-bye to college because I'm not going back to school.
Baby, bye-bye.
So that is a huge milestone that I just accomplished. So I am very happy about that. A week ago, I published a poll on my community tab asking you guys what type of videos you'd like to see. And the option with the most votes was a quick and easy makeup look for beginners. So that's what we're doing today. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have divided this video into different chapters. So if you like to jump around to different parts of the video, you can easily. Also, if you end up enjoying this video or find it very helpful, go ahead and leave a like, and you can comment and also share this video with your friends. If you want to see more of my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. Without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. As you can see, I already have my eyebrows done. I'm planning on putting out an eyebrow tutorial, but I already have it embedded in one of my videos, so you can click the card to check it out. But if you want me to do a detailed eyebrow tutorial on its own, just for the brows, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Today we're going to be doing a basic soft glam look, but it's still going to be very glamorous and people will not know that you're a beginner. So we are going to be working with a lot of browns and nudes today. Whenever I'm doing the soft glam look, I always go for about 4 different eyeshadow shades. A transition color, the main color, the shade to smoke everything out, and also the highlight shade. I'm going to be working with a mixture of different palettes today, mostly by Juvia's Place, so just stay tuned. First, we are going to create a base for our eyeshadow. For that, I'm using my CoverGirl concealer in the shade Caramel. This is a full coverage concealer, so it gets the job done. Going into the eye look, I'm starting off with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and as my transition color, I'll be using this really nice gingery brown shade called Cano. Using a fluffy brush, I'm sweeping this eyeshadow shade into my crease and a little bit above my crease. Next, I'm going in with Mino, which is the darkest brown shade on the palette to smoke everything out. Always start with a very light hand and little eyeshadow and keep building up the intensity of the shade. This will help you out when you're blending intense colors. Now for our main color, I'll be using the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm taking the last brown shade on the second row called Ginger. Here I switch to a flatter and fluffier brush. To tie everything together, I'm adding my highlight shade, which is a Hosi from the Warrior palette, and it's the lightest brown shade. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, but I'm going to use it only on my top lashes. For eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner from SheGlam, and it has 2 sides, liquid and gel, but I'm using the liquid side. I actually find it very interesting how easy it is for me to draw my eyeliner. But what I do is I create a long line in the outer corner of my eye. Then from there, I just draw it back in, like swoop, like swoop it back in, and I just fill in the rest. Before I apply any product on my face, I love to moisturize, and as you can see, my face is well moisturized, and I use the CeraVe the CeraVe daily moisturizing lotion. Along with that, I also use my Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel because I have really dry skin. Now to prep my skin to hold on to the foundation, I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Today, I'm going to be trying out new foundation from SheGlam. I'm going to be using the shade Nutmeg. The key to having a flawless base, I believe, is using a little product. Don't pack too much foundation on your face so that you don't have too much to blend out. It's just going to end up looking really, really cakey. And whenever you take that nice picture with a flash, you're definitely going to have some flashback. I'm starting off with a few pumps of my She Glam foundation, and I'm blending this out using my ColourPop sorry guys, my ColourPop Cosmetics Kabuki brush. As you can see, a little product goes a long way, and it is so full coverage, and the match is so, like, this is a perfect match. I think that's what I said. But yeah, it was, yeah. And you want to like tap 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 instead of dragging the brush to avoid streaks. I cannot believe how perfect this match is, you guys. It matches my exact skin tone. Wow. Next, I'm going in with Earth as my concealer. So I'm applying this with a concealer brush, and right before I blend it out, as you can see, I'm going to be spraying my Bare With Me setting spray. I use this because this foundation it dries matte and it dries really fast. So to avoid it drying too quickly on me, I just needed something to refresh it. Make sure you're using a damp beauty blender to blend everything out, because when your beauty blender is soft and fluffy, oh, it just does a perfect job. I'm going to downsize the appearance of my chin and also draw light and illuminate the center of my face by applying it to my forehead. I normally don't do this, but I just did this today. To set everything, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm putting it right where I usually have like lines and creases. I'm going in with this NYX Sweet Cheeks liquid blush or cream blush, and I'm blending out with the bottom of my beauty blender. I make sure not to put it in the area that I already applied powder, because then things tend to start getting very cakey. I'm just using a light brown eyeshadow shade in this fluffy brush as my nose contour. I don't really do too much when it comes to my nose. And as you can see, my favorite eyeshadow palette for bronzing, the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. I'm just using this palette for bronzing, and I'm also taking the orange shade as blush. Now we're working on the finishing touches of this makeup. At this point, you guys, I'm just really freestyling this voiceover. But I'm going in with this Maybelline Tattoo pencil, and this is obviously the black shade, and I'm just lining half of my under eye, not the whole thing. And then I used the remaining eyeshadow on that nice little brush to smoke it out. And here I'm just setting my face with my Laura Mercier setting powder. For my bottom lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is my favorite mascara for my bottom lashes because it really makes everything stand out. To highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Y'all, I have a lot of Maybelline products, and it's just amazing. Like, can you see this freaking glow? And I got this at Walmart. Next, I'm going in with the Tattoo Studio pencil again, and this is the brown shade, but I'm using it as my lip liner, as you can see. And to add to that, I'm using the NYX Lingerie. This is their new lip cream. I'm just going to put the details on this in the description box. I also went ahead and used like a store-bought lip gloss just to tie everything together. And to set my face, I'm using my e.l.f. setting spray.